nagkaroon ka agad ng sign. Pagka ano, balik ka agad eh.
Umiyak na lang. Hello everyone. Good afternoon, Ate. Good afternoon, Chairman Dr. Alexander Mercado, Chief Executive Officer, Mrs. Jocelyn Mercado, President, Mr. Jonas J. Lorenzo, Chief Operating Officer and Faculty Head, Ms. Azenet Cruz. Ako raw ang kanyang best captain cheerleader. Hindi ko nakakalimutan yun, ma'am. That is our Miss, ang katukayo ko si Ma'am Abigail Cunyo, Marketing Officer, Sir Mace Manuel Caneda, and to all the staff. Pangunahing pagdangal, Miss Maricel S. Caino, Reverend Alexander De Jorge. Ano ba to? Okay. Good afternoon to my fellow Kalasaglahi graduates and to their respective parents, guardians, and families. Congratulations to all of us, my fellow graduates. Hello! Ito na tayo. Tapos na! Learning is a never-ending journey. It is necessary to part of our life. Nag-decide po akong mag-aaral ng caregiver. At first, totoo po niya is, dinala po kasi namin ng aking mother-in-law sa home care. So, isa po yun sa mga naging reason kung bakit po nandito po ako ngayon. At isa po ako ngayong caregiver and C2 confident. And ang father ko po ay isa diabetic patient din po. I want to learn how to take good care of them with knowledge. That's why nag-aral po ako ng caregiving. Caregivers need to perform complex medical tasks, supervise patients, make decisions, solve problems, provide emotional support, and coordinate care. The ability to effectively communicate is one of the most important life skills. A large part of caregiving is understanding that things may not always go as planned. Your role as a caregiver is to adapt our clients' needs. Yan po ang natutunan ko sa pag-aaral sa mahigit 6 na buwan dito po sa ACTED. At higit po sa lahat, natutunan ko po kung paano mag-alaga ng elderly, child, and infant with disabilities and how to understand them. Empathy is shown in how much compassion and understanding you can give to another, while sympathy is more of a feeling of pity for another. I've learned that our patients' empathy is much needed than sympathy. Mas kailangan nila ng makakasama at makikinig sa kanila kesa ang kaawaan sila. Maraming struggles, challenges, problems ang naranasan ko po sa pag-aaral na to. Kasi po, ang totoo po niyan, hindi naman po ako basta estudyante lang po. Isa rin po akong mother at mayroon po tayong may sarili po tayong business. Pero, naayos ko rin po on how to manage everything. Late bloomer na po ako. At my age, I'm already, 47 na po ako. Tsaka po ako nag-decide mag-aral ng caregiving. But, it's never too late to learn. Nakapag-aral po ako ng BS Hotel and Restaurant Management when I was 18 years old. Naka 2 years po ako sa St. Jude College. But, hindi po siya natapos. Failure is only the opportunity to begin again. This time, mas matalino na po dapat tayo. more intelligently. Hindi ko narasang gumraduate nung college ako dahil nga po hindi ko natapos ang 4 years course. But here I am now, graduate with flying colors. Maraming salamat at may ACTEC, no discrimination, no age limit. Because of ACTEC, believe that a noble Filipino should possess the following K attitude: katapatan, loyalty, kasipagan, industrious, kalidad, quality, karunungan, intellect, kampiyon, champion, one of the kind, never give up, and never surrender. Truly, ACTEC is a missionary of love. ACTEC mission is to produce world-class caregiving and technologies and train them to become expert. ACTEC vision to become the Asian Center of Education equipped with Filipino values. ACTEC philosophy, sensible, affordable, high-quality ACTEC education. To my instructors, we really appreciate your guidance, mentorship, and your motivation throughout this course. You make our learning an adventure and meaningful. Your lessons have helped us succeed to pass our assessment, and now we are National Certificate 2 Certified Competent. Because of that, I'm grateful for your positive influence in my life, and I am thankful to have you all as my instructors. Ma'am Ayet Palmero, Ma'am Dina, mga da Barcelona na wala po dito, Sir Joshua Ken Cuadro, Ma'am May Rojero Bacason, si Sir Ramon na napaka-cool na instructor namin lahat, Sir Ramon Sipadang, and my most favorite, at hindi ko makikalimutan na pili ko naging kaibigan lang siya, and then napaka-respected niya para sa akin, si Sir MC Michael Angelo Salimbaga. I'm forever grateful for these amazing classmates. We finally did it! St. Bernadette! Lourdes Cortez, Cyril Gapulaw, Rodel Vista, Christine Sispeñe, Mary Dato, Caroline Capule, my Bumpalis Group B November 14 batch, Rose Libra, Army Astobesa, Angela Bukia, Dan Catrillanes, Lady Charity Jos, and Rogelio Cardenas. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pinagsamahan. Sa lahat ng community service, face-to-face class, anak interpretative, Zumba dance, report groupings, and to my Malayan Tribe Sports Fest, ito ang inyong best captain cheerleader. Tapos na! Maraming salamat sa pinagsamahan at sa national assessment natin. Thanks for everything. Mamimiss ko kayong lahat. Na sinabi ni Ma'am kanina, yung separation na sa totoo po yun, Ma'am. Mamimiss ko po silang lahat, mamimiss ko po ang ACTEC. And most of all, to my loving and supportive family, lalo na po ang husband kong si Manuel Basco, na driver namin sa mga community service, kasama ko sa lahat, mga anak ko, Emmanuel Andre Basco, who helped me do all my reports, PowerPoint and video editing, Junay Renz and Abenor. I'm so lucky to have such a supportive family. My mother, Rosie T. Mario, thank you always for being there when I needed you the most. To my sweet sisters na pag-stress ako, Evangeline Rose and Rosemary, labas at putrip kami agad sa mall. To my dearest family, I want to express my heartfelt and endless gratitude to each one of you. Thank you so much for your unwavering support and unconditional love for me. I love you all. I am truly grateful for my life and destiny for bringing me to ACTEC. I have so many unforgettable and beautiful experience with the instructors, students, and my classmates that money cannot buy. I have something special that others don't have. Above all, thank you, Lord, for everything in my life. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po.